Killa Mingy, come dance with me. Let's learn our letters A to Z. Clap your hands and follow along. Phonics fun in Mango song. A is for apple, do do. D is for jump, do do do. D is for egg, e e e e. F is for fish, fo fo foo. G is for goat, do 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 do. I is for it, ah ah ah. J is for jam, choo j j. J is for kite, kick j q. L is for lion, l l. M is for mango, N is for net, n. O is for owl, o. G is for pen, Q is for queen, q. R is for rat, r. S is for sun, s. T is for tap, t. U is for umbrella, u. V is for van, v. W is for watch, w. X is for box, x. Y is for yo-yo, y. Z is for zebra, z. Now we've